Hey guys, we're getting ready to do this Trader Joe's uncured ham and Swiss cheese flaky croissants dough squares. It's 4 in the package and they're ready to bake. We preheat the oven and then this is what they look like. So when I bring them back out, I'm going to show you what they look like. I hope they turn out good. We've never had these before. So we'll be back as soon as they bake. Hey guys, here's the finished product. It's the uncured ham and Swiss cheese flaky croissants finished. They were baked at, hold on, let me look at this again. Let's see, what do we do it? At 350 for 20 minutes in a convection oven. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. If you have a Trader Joe's close to you, go out and get you some. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and I love you until tomorrow. Don't they look great?